Good morning, it's Thursday, May the 29th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 4 great press releases for you this morning, all from the resource sector with great results. I have no press releases from the U.S. side to report on, and I have 3 halts to report on for the second segment of our program. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Top story I have for you this morning is Colossus Minerals on the venture under the symbol CSI. Big numbers coming out of this company. Haven't seen numbers like this in a while from a resource company. Colossus Minerals drilled their high-grade gold platinum at Sierra Pelada in Brazil. Highlights from the program include hole SPD-001, which intersected 88 meters of, get this, 5.8 grams per ton of gold, 6.1 grams per ton of platinum, and 6.83 grams per ton of palladium. So significant numbers and significant metals there. Also, we have within that intercept 50 meters of 5.63 grams per ton of gold, 9.58 grams per ton of platinum, and 10.24 grams per ton of palladium. So very impressive numbers coming out of the company. Now, what the company did, they put in their press release, if you were to convert the platinum and palladium to gold using equivalent or today's current gold prices, what you would have is 88 meters of 23.7 grams per ton of gold equivalent. So that's what the hole has produced. Big numbers coming out of the company. We got a quote from Vic Wall, Colossus president, who states, "These results from our first Sierra Pelada drill hole are truly excellent." Yeah, no kidding. SPD-001 has demonstrated the continuity of high-grade gold, platinum, palladium mineralization over a large vertical interval in Colossus' main target zone, well south of the historic Sierra Pelada open pit. So congratulations to Colossus. Great numbers coming out of the company. A little bit more about the company. They're an exploration and development company focused on mineral resource properties in Brazil. They're last at $1.95. Off their 52-week high of $2.57. Moving on, Hana Mining trades on the venture under the symbol HMG. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own. And a quick shout out to our good friend John Lynch. John, congratulations on the news. What they're reporting on today are results from 4 new core holes which were completed as part of its ongoing 10,000-meter diamond drilling program at the Gonzi Copper-Silver Project in Botswana. All of the reported holes were drilled at 200-meter intervals and have extended mineralization an additional 800 meters for a total mineralized strike length of 1.1 kilometers at Zone 2. So we've got big strike length, 1.1 kilometers. Highlights from the 4 holes include 4.7 meters grading 1.15% copper and 10 grams per ton of silver, and this is in hole number 28. And we've also got an interval of 4 meters grading 1% copper and 13.5 grams per ton of silver in hole number 30. We've got a quote from the company president, Peter Wilson, who states, "We are pleased with these results, and they clearly show the continuity and predictability of the mineralized horizon along strike. Currently, we have 3 drill rigs in 3 separate areas up to 95 kilometers apart and are all in mineralization. With more than 220 kilometers of unexplored strike length, the upside to this project is exceptional." A little bit about Hana Mining. They're a junior exploration company seeking to acquire, explore, and develop highly prospective precious base metal and other mineral projects worldwide with emphasis in southern Africa. The company's last at 50 cents off their 52-week high of 78 cents. Moving on, Pacific Comox Resources trades on the venture under the symbol PCM. We've got an initial 43101 report coming from the company, and this is from their south zone at Ryan Lake in Ontario. The report indicates that they have indicated resources of 5.9 million tons, grading 0.34% copper and 0.039% molybdenum, or moly, 0.09 grams per ton of gold, and 5 grams per ton of silver. So good numbers coming out of the company. A little bit more about Pacific Comox. They're focused on the exploration of the Ryan Lake copper moly claims in northern Ontario and the Mabel gold-silver property in Mexico. They're last at 7 cents off their 52-week high of 19.5 cents. Next one I've got for you, Romarco Minerals on the venture under the symbol R. We've got assay results from the third exploration hole at their Hale mine in Southern Carolina. This hole was designed to test the extension of the gold mineralized zone, and it's currently 15.4 million tons at an average grade of 3.1 grams per ton of gold within the overall northern trend. Highlights from the drilling program include hole DDH-302, which returned an average of 24 meters, grading 7.7 grams per ton of gold, and we've got a different hole, 29 meters, grading 9.2 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of Romarco this morning. A little bit about the company. They're a gold development company focused on production in the U.S. and Mexico. They're last at 19 cents off their 52-week high of 35 cents. That's it for the great press releases this morning. Looks like I've got three great halts to report on this morning as well. Southern Pacific Resources Corp. trades on the venture under the symbol STP. They've been halted pending news. Swan Hills Energy Limited, they're on the venture under the symbol SWE.UN. They've been halted pending completion of distribution. And finally, we've got War Eagle Mining on the venture under the symbol WAR. They've been halted pending news. Here I've got one more halt to report on this morning. Thanks, Bart. We have Rochester Energy Corp. trades on the venture under the symbol ROH, and they've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today. I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow, and we've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.